This morning I'm going to be making an omelet. So I've got a can of mushrooms here. I'm probably not going to use all of them in my omelet. Some cheese. And I'm using Pico de Gallo. You don't have to use Pico de Gallo. You can cut up your own vegetables you want, but this is already cut up and everything. And I like Pico de Gallo, so I'm going to put it in my omelet. And I got 2 eggs. I put the Pico de Gallo and the mushrooms in the pan here. I'm just going to cook it for a few minutes. I put a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of olive oil. So I'll just cook this in a few minutes, and this will actually go inside the omelet. Vegetables are cooking. I broke 2 eggs in here after spraying the pan with a little bit of olive oil. And just scrambled it up. Saves from having to scramble up eggs in a separate bowl and making an extra mess. And I put a little bit of salt and pepper in it. So we're going to be putting the lid on top of this and cooking this until it's ready to flip over. Looks like it's time to flip it over. Took about a couple minutes. So we flipped it over, so now I'm going to be putting in the vegetables and the cheese, and then I'll fold it in half and smash it down. Got the vegetables on, next is the cheese. Got the cheese on there, so now I'm going to fold the part with no vegetables on it over the part that has the vegetables on it and fold it in half. Fold the omelet in half here. Now I'm just going to put it on the plate. So here's the omelet. I actually put some bacon bits sprinkled on it to make it meaty, because before it was just a vegetable omelet. You could actually put the bacon bits inside the omelet if you want. You can also put sausage if you like. But here it is. Don't that look yummy? Just wanted to say thank you for watching our video. Take care.